It's really a pleasure to welcome you here in Vienna. Today we bring together policymakers and technical experts, and we are all building and improving urban transport systems that are sustainable, efficient, modern, inclusive and resilient.
The implementation of sustainable transport remains quite complex because you try, of course, to integrate different modes of transport together, but you also try that the green and the transport, they are compatible, they are supporting one another, and you see exactly that the same kind of problematic happens in those countries. That's why those exchanges, they're really fruitful because we can exchange our best practice.
This workshop is important to me and MRT Jakarta because it strengthens our capacity to develop more sustainable and integrated urban mobility. I have gained practical knowledge from Austria's railway system and urban planning that I can apply to support Jakarta's transit-oriented development and urban railway system.
I just presented here a little bit of urban development of Vienna and how these learnings from Vienna could be used in different contexts, like in Bangladesh or in Indonesia. It's always important to think of integrated urban development.
My experience will strengthen our capacity to plan more, design more smart strategies for develop urban transport system in Indonesia.
I believe the experience I gained from this workshop will be instrumental in facing the challenges what we have back home and build very safe, sustainable urban transport network.
I think the railway is a reliable and sustainable mode of transport to increase the mobility of the mega city like in our country, Dhaka city, is a great challenge.
We're bringing to this workshop our experience of best practice, carrying out projects in Austria and Germany, and how these can be done in ADB countries of operation.
Urban transport is only growing in ADB transport portfolio. This is to meet the increasing demands by our member countries, as in Bangladesh and in Indonesia. It is critical to demonstrate best practices in this complex area of assistance. In this context, the long-standing partnership with the government of Austria, the Technical University of Graz, and private sector in Austria really brings high value. All partners are very pleased that the collaboration ultimately supports ADB member countries in taking action and in developing meaningful urban mobility solutions.
The Austrian railway industries are one of the most innovative industries in the world. And of course, the Asian Development Bank is really one of our most important partners. And it's a pleasure for us to be your hosts. Thank you so much.